This world has made us weak because हम सब convenience chase कर रहे थे. Convenience to make our life easier. But हमने तो difficult बना दी. And then the same world comes and tells us, why are you so weak? I think the one ability we all need to learn in today's world is the ability to make hard choices. और अब मैं ये क्यों कह रहा हूँ? Because I am the same person who should have been dead in 2018, had almost 5 bones broken in his neck, paralyzed for 6 months of his life, and yet somehow I got invited to stages like TEDx, Josh Talk, created a company of my own, became a powerlifter. I am learning MMA right now, and I'm doing podcasts to help people. The only skill that has helped me achieve anything is the ability to choose hard in this moment over the comfort in this moment. And I truly genuinely believe कि अगर हम सब ये चीज़ कर पाए मिल के साथ में, then you can get the control of your life back. And that is what I want to gift through this page. This is my pursuit of self-mastery, of making even harder choices. But I want to give back everything I know, everything that I have learned, everything that has helped me so far to you. Because I had no one. You will have me. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep believing.